Hey guys, hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to draw the Stumble Guy's Mr. Beast character sitting in his car. So I'm starting with the head shape, and then I'm just going to bring his hoodie. He's wearing a hoodie, so his hoodie comes down and around, and then he's got his leg coming out here, so his leg's sort of coming out. This is a bit more side on with his boot. And that's his boot there, and then this is the windshield of the car. It's like a little cart, and then comes around like so for the front of the car and back up. And this is where his other boot's going to go, or shoe. A bit more front on, leg, that's the knee. See a little bit of the side of that, and then this is where his hand is going to be there. Now I'm just constructing him up so that I get all the proportions looking good. There's going to be a wheel there, and part of the wheel there you see, and then this is the grille of the car, or the front of the car. Okay, Mr. Beast on there. Alright, and he's looking more towards the right, so I'm just putting on some construction lines of where his eyes and his mouth and that are going to go. Now I've got Mr. Beast constructed up, I'm going to outline him. Let's start with his eye. An oval shape like so for his eye. Going to colour that in, and his other eye, like so. The Stumble Guy's eyes, colour that in. Now I'm going to draw his moustache, coming up like that. Like that. No, I'm not drawing the Pringles logo. And then he's got a little bit of a, almost like a love heart part there. Alright, he's got his chin coming down and back up and around, and he's got a bit of a beard through here. And he's got this coming up. Then a part of his head, hair, comes around like this, comes back up into there, a little bit of a shape coming around like that. There we have Mr. Beast's face. Now we've got to have his hoodie on there with a couple of little bits coming down, cords on that side, cords on this side. Bring that back up and around. Same with that. Now we've got to put his awesome jacket on there. Comes around like this, and then we've got his hand. So his hand's sort of like the Stumble Guy's hand with the thumb. There's the fist, and then behind it you see a bit of the arm into the shirt here. So that's hand and arm there, and that's the jacket. Now he's got his knee, he's got his hand on his knee, so we're going to draw the knee. Then he's got his sock. And then he's got his cool shoe that comes around like this, comes down, comes around, then you've got the front of his shoe, and then the sole of his shoe like that. So there's his shoe, he's got his leg coming up there, and then he's got his pants, see a bit of his pants. Now we've got the toy car windscreen coming across, right across to there. Comes down on an angle. Let's bring this one around on an angle like this. That's the windshield. In here it says Beast, so let's put a rectangle outline there. Now I'm going to do this with my gel pen later on, so I'm just going to draw this, and I might, you can write the word Beast in there with a gel pen. I'll show you that later. Let's put his side of his there, then he's got his leg. These are his shorts. And then this is his leg coming out. He's got some socks there. He's got this little piece on his shoe. Comes across like that. That's this part here. And then this is more side on, so it comes around, down and around like that. You see a bit of the sole, and you see a bit of the front bit coming around like so. There's his shoe. Now he's got his other hand out here that I forgot to draw. Let's draw his thumb. Then the stumble guy's hand comes in, and he's got his cuff of his jacket. Then he's got his jacket coming into there. Now let's finish the car off. So the middle of his shoe sort of comes, a line comes around here. It's not a distinct outline there, but I'm going to put one. And we've got some headlights. Let's put the headlights on. It's a shape like this. Reminds me of the old Knight Rider car. There we go. Now he's got the grille, or the front of the car here, comes into a point like that. Almost looks like two eyes and a mouth. A lot of vehicles do that, they look cool. Up, down, and back in there, and then this one's a bit wider because you see more of it. So it comes across in a shape like that. You see the bottom parts of here, and this part here like that. You'll see this side here up into there. Now we've got the side of the car, the front of the car. I'm just going to bring it around like this. Now this is the side, and this is the wheel here, like this. So an ellipse shape, a tall ellipse shape, and then you've got the side of the car. And then you just see a little bit of the wheel here as well. So just sort of a black part like that in behind there. Just going to go around Mr. Beast with a thicker outline. Now thanks to those people that voted in my poll about whether you prefer iPad and hand drawn. I've had a little bit of time off my YouTube channel. I've had some visitors and been enjoying their company. I'm just going to speed this up now. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Cheers. Bye. See ya.